In today's video, we will talk about the very first step of EPFO's new re-engineered ECR module, return filing and regular return. Here, you will learn how to log in, upload returns, approve, reject process, and most importantly, step-by-step payment methods. So let's get started without wasting any time. Segment A, return filing. View or upload return. This is the entry point from where the entire filing process begins. Open your browser and search for EPFO. At the top, you will see EPFO's official website. Click on it to open. After entering the EPFO portal, on the right side, you will find the option ECR Return Payment. Click on it. A new page will open with an alert pop-up. Read it carefully and simply click on the OK button. Now the establishment sign-in page will appear in front of you. Here, enter your username, password and CAPTCHA. Then click on Sign In. Once logged in, you will land on the home page. From the top menu, click on the Payments tab and then select Return Filing Quick Links. This shortcut directly takes you to the filing section. Now the return home page has opened in front of you. Here, multiple quick links are visible: return filing, view or pay challan, file arrear return, filing histories. Click on return filing home page. Then you will see a monthly dashboard which shows a wage month-wise summary. There's a calendar icon. From here you can select a specific wage month. If you select the wrong wage month, the wrong data will be loaded. So always double check. Select the wage month, click on Done and then click the search button. Inside the table, the return summary details of that month will be displayed. Now inside the table, there will be a button, View, Upload. Clicking on it will take you to a page where the recent return files for that wage month are listed. Here, employers can view member details, check exemption status, which is a new feature, and there will be a button, Download Active Member List. Download this active member list and cross-check it with your payroll. This will help avoid duplicates and keep filing accurate. You will also see a Help button. Clicking on it will download a help file which contains the file format and field details. If the format is incorrect, the upload will fail. So make sure to read the help file carefully to avoid any mistakes. Now you are ready to file the actual return. So let's move on to the next segment. Segment B, regular return. This is the primary return which is filed for active employees for a specific wage month. Simply click here and upload your return file .txt format. From the return type drop down, select regular return. Choose the contribution rate 12% or 10%. If you make a mistake, you can correct it using the reset button. Click on the upload button. A pop-up will appear, verify and click OK. If the file is incorrect, the system will generate an error file. This means you have made some mistakes and that's why the error is shown. Never ignore the error file. If you don't correct it, the file will keep getting rejected. Now, let's assume you filled in everything correctly. If the file is correct, a success message will appear. Along with it, a return file ID and return statement will be generated, visible in the in-process returns section. Here, you will get two options, approve or reject. Employees may download the return statement, verify it, and then either approve or reject the file. First, download and verify the return statement. If there's a major mistake, click the reject button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK. For minor mistakes, do not reject, use a revised return later for correction. Now, let's assume you have made no mistakes. If everything is correct, click on the approve button. Confirm in the pop-up. Once confirmed, you will see the message, Return File ID approved successfully. Kindly prepare the challan using appropriate option. At the same time, the system has generated a due deposit balance summary. Now it's time to move to payments. On the balance summary page, you will get multiple options: full payment, part payment, pay admin or InspPay charges. View or pay challan, pay 7Q or 14B charges. This payment flexibility was not available earlier. Now you can make part payments and create separate challans as well. Let's look at them one by one. On clicking the View or Pay Challan button, a list of in-process challans and recent challans is displayed. At the top, you will also see the Pay and Cancel button. In addition, on clicking the Pay Admin InspPay Charges button, a direct challan entry page is displayed where the employer can fill administration and inspection charges account-wise. Then click on Prepare Challan to continue. On clicking Prepare Challan, a pop-up is displayed. Verify the amount and click OK. Once you click OK, you will see the message, the challan is prepared successfully with a unique TRRN. It is important to note down this TRRN for audit trail. Here also, the Pay and Cancel buttons will be shown. Now simply click on the Pay button. The system will ask for bank selection. Select your bank and complete the payment. Similarly, if we talk about the third option, Pay 7Q or 14B charges, on clicking the button, a direct challan entry page is displayed where the employer can fill in interest and damages account-wise and click on Prepare Challan. Just like before, once you click Prepare Challan, a pop-up is displayed, verify the amount and click OK. The challan is prepared successfully with a unique TRRN and is displayed in the in-process challans list table with an option to either pay or cancel. To continue, click on the Pay button. Once clicked, the system navigates to the challan payment page where the employer can select the bank from the drop-down list and make payment. Now let's learn how to do the full payment flow and part payment flow. If the employer selects the part payment option, the system navigates to the following monthly contribution filing screen. Employees will be able to view account-wise breakup of dues paid and balance amounts for the wage month. If needed, employers can click the Help button for guidelines and download the Help file which contains the format of the contribution file. Help file. The Help file on this screen contains the format and field details of the contribution file to be uploaded by the employer. Now upload the contribution file by clicking on the Choose File button, add remarks and click on the Upload button. If the employer wants to modify their selections, they can click on the Reset button and re-enter the details. If the file upload is successful, a contribution file ID and contribution statement is generated and displayed in the in-process contribution files table. The option to approve or reject the return is also displayed. If the file upload fails, an error message is displayed and an error file is generated. Let's assume again that you have filled everything correctly. Employees may download the contribution statement, verify it, and then either approve or reject the file. If the employer wishes to reject, click on the Reject button. A confirmation pop-up appears. Click OK to continue. Once rejected, the system navigates back to the monthly contribution filing page. If the employer wishes to approve the contribution file after verifying, click on the Approve button. Once clicked, a confirmation pop-up is displayed. Click OK. After approval, a contribution file summary is generated with account-wise bifurcation of the balance amount. Here, employers will have options to generate challan, cancel the contribution summary, back to contribution filing. To continue, click on the Generate Challan button. A pop-up will be displayed with the finalized summary for the contribution ID. Click on Finalize to proceed. Once the Finalize button is clicked, a challan is generated with a TRRN and is displayed in the in-process challan list with the options to either cancel or pay. Click on the Pay button to proceed. The system navigates to the challan payment page. Employees may also select interest 7Q and damages 14B if applicable. Select the bank from the drop-down and make payment. Now let's talk about the full payment flow. If the employer selects full payment, the system displays the account-wise due deposit balance summary. Employees can view account-wise breakup of dues, paid and balance amounts for the wage month. Click on the Prepare Challan button to continue. A pop-up will display the total account-wise summary. Click on Finalize Challan to proceed. Once finalized, the challan is generated with a TRRN and is displayed in the in-process challan list with the options to cancel or pay. Click on the Pay button to proceed. The system navigates to the challan payment page. Employers may select Interest 7Q and Damages 14B if applicable. Select the bank from the drop-down and make payment. Warning: once the payment process starts, downward revision is blocked. So always double check all details before making payment. So friends, in this video you saw the complete process of return filing and regular return, from file upload to payment completion. Apart from this, I have already made separate videos on supplementary return and revised return. You must check them out too. Along with that, I have also created a detailed and full process video on EPFO's new re-engineered ECR3, in which I have combined all three and covered everything in depth with a step-by-step tutorial. Do check that as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to the video. And write your queries in the comments below. I will answer them. Thanks for watching. Now PF filing is easy.